Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to simplify your workflow when downloading and formatting CSV files. For this we are going to use the macro feature in Excel, and you have to have the developer tab for it. If you do not have it by now, then at least on Mac, go to Excel, Preferences, Ribbon and Toolbar, and then check the developer tab. The CSV has been downloaded by Yahoo Finance and is about the stock price from Tesla stock in the past 5 years. So now click the developer tab, go to record macro. Let's give the macro name. Let's call it CSV formatting. You cannot have space bars in the macro name, so you have to use underlines. And you want to save it in the personal macro workbook, as this allows you to work to use the macros as well in workbooks that you might download in the future. When you've done that, click OK, and from this point on, Excel is going to record everything that you are doing. So when working with CSV files, as most of you probably already know, you have to convert the data in a usable format, and we do that by going to Data, clicking column A, and then using text to columns. It is delimited, and it is delimited by a comma. Then we click Finish. But in this case, we only really want to use adjusted close price, volume, and the date. So we are going to delete this by Ctrl-. And the stock price, as you can see, is not quite right. So what we are going to do is, by Yahoo Finance, it is always delimited by times a million. So we want to divide it by a million, drag it down, copy the whole column, and then paste special paste values. We want to delete the help cell. We want to show the two commas, and now we are going to format it. So we give it some basic formatting by having thick headlines, having outlines, thick outlines, maybe some color, and this is already it. Now we go to the developer tab and stop the recording. And when you have a blank CSV file, you can from now on only go to the developer tab, to macros, and run the macro. And as you can see, it is perfectly formatted for you, which should save you a lot of time when doing it over and over again. So I hope this video helped you. If so, please consider liking or subscribing, and in any case, have a great week. Bye bye.